Welcome to this video. We're going to see how you can watch YouTube videos in multiple languages. So as you can see, this is the back end of a YouTube studio. You can see from the left hand side there, you can see languages. You click on it. You can see this is just two languages. You'll see 21 languages. So let's click on this one that has 21 languages. Click on it. So you can see there are different languages here. Although this one is some draft. You can see French, you can see German published. You can see English. So let's click on the Hindu. You can see the words, the title is in Hindu, the description is in Hindu. Everything is arranged in Hindu. So
तो इस वीडियो में आपको हम देखेंगे कि आप अमेज़न KDP कवर की त्रुटियों को कैसे संपादित कर सकते हैं। आप देख सकते हैं कि आपका अपेक्षित कवर आकार बड़ा।
So let's watch it on YouTube. If it's on YouTube, come over here.
So welcome to this video.
You can see the original text is in
We're going to see how you can.
So if you want to change the language now, so you come here to on your YouTube playback, you come here to settings. You can see the audio track here. You can see audio track here. It has 13 audio track. You can see which originally in English, US original. So come here, you can switch to Hindu. Let's switch to Hindu language now. So click play.
कवर की त्रुटियों को कैसे संपादित कर सकते हैं। आप देख सकते हैं कि आपका अपेक्षित कवर आकार
Then in Hindu.
बड़ा टुकड़ा।
Let's change the language. Come over here. Let's try Spanish. Click.
2,9,2,2. Lo que se envió está fuera del alcance de Amazon. Vamos a ver cómo solucionarlo.
So that's how you can
Vamos a utilizar una herramienta
watch YouTube videos in languages depending on the channel that you
la herramienta Quinte.
So thank you so much for watching. Till next time.
Es un software de código